How to create and share YouTube clips. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on plus button on bottom. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on short. Make sure it's in short. And then from here you can create a video for YouTube clip. After you're done, simply stop recording and click on tick like mark. From here you can edit text, trim, add filters, voice over if you want, and add stickers if you want. After that, press next, add your caption, make sure it's public, add location and select audience if you want, and then simply click on upload short. And this is how to create and share YouTube clips. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.